Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me for another unboxing. Couple of announcements and just a bit of a catch up because I haven't been around for a week. Right, how you doing everyone? I hope you're okay and your week started off on a positive note and you had a great weekend, great shaves, and you had a good week last week since I haven't seen you. Right, first announcement I want to get out of the way. I've seen a post Dave McMillan of Shaving Time put up on the Shaving Time Facebook group, and I was shocked. It just came up that they were closed for the foreseeable future. So straight away I messaged Dave to see if he was okay, what was going on and everything, and unfortunately he's in hospital. I won't go into detail. I did ask him permission to let you guys know what's going on in case you were wondering if you got on the site and you're like, why is it closed? Dave's waiting for heart surgery, open heart surgery, and he won't be coming out and let home until he's had that surgery, unfortunately. So I'm sure you'll join me in wishing Dave a successful surgery and a speedy recovery. Take care, Dave. Take it easy because we'll all be here when you get back out, mate. Right, second, it's my anniversary, or mine and Mrs. B's anniversary, so happy anniversary, Mrs. B. It's been an amazing 12 years. Thank you very much for putting up with me. Right, let's get on the unboxing. What we got? Yay! Which one first? Big one. Exciting. Always exciting getting stuff. These aren't anniversary presents, by the way. I've had these since last week. I just haven't been able to do anything. The usual story, work, busy, tired. COVID has hit our office. It's making its way through the office. Lucky enough, me and Mrs. B are on holiday this week. So we're going to crack on with the house. But yeah, I think come Saturday we were 7 bodies down. So we've been covering, I've been working my day off for the last 5 weeks. So I've only been getting 1 day off. So come Saturday I came home and I've just slept, and I slept all day. Well, most of the day yesterday as well. So feeling a bit more refreshed, but looking worse for wear. Looks like I've been living on the streets for a week. I haven't shaved, no haircut or nothing. Well, I'm going to put that right today. Right, shut up, Chris. What we got? Right, okay, we've got plenty of nuggets. Let's get these out of the box without making a mess. Oh, made a mess. Put that to one side. Right, first thing first. Been looking forward to this. An Omega Evo, a brush. I got the special edition, and it's the Veteran. It's got the marbled camouflage there. What a beautiful looking brush. Omega Evo, 28mm knot, and this is, I had to write it down because it's a mouthful. It's a, where's the knot? The new Evo Silver Synth Synthetic Tufts. Try saying that after you've had a few. I've heard that it's one of the best synthetic knots that there is. Your mileage may vary, but it reminds me slightly of the Simpson T3. Is it the Sovereign knot? That's what it reminds me of. Beautifully soft tips. Quite a bit of backbone there. And I'm actually looking forward to that. And it's a heavy sucker, weighs 100 grams. Feels very comfortable in the hand, chunky. Can't wait to try that. So that's that. I'll get this out. And these are from Shaving Time. Obviously it's closed at the moment, so I'll still put links in anyway. No, I can't put the link in because the page is closed. Master Soap Creations, pole position. Sorry about the light, guys. I'm using natural light and it's a beautiful day. It's been superb, the weather, for the last few days. And we've got a 2-week heat wave. and it is a heat wave. Handcrafted South Africa. Labelling all the way around. Here's the ingredients. Instructions underneath. Brilliant. And this is a dupe on Calvin Klein's CK1, and yes, it amazes me how these artisans get these scents spot on. It's beautiful. Lavender, rosemary, neroli, musk, bit of cedar there, amber, can smell the amber. It's beautiful. There's a whole bunch more things in there. I'll let you know when the notes when I use it. God, this late. I should have blanked them out, shouldn't I? And we've got the matching splash. Beautiful. Mrs. B likes this. CK1. So that's that. Right. Next one. I have cut the seals on them to save a bit of time. Right. Ooh. It's a razor. If you can get it out. The Executive Shaving Claymore. What a beautiful handle. I love this handle. Single edge. It's got the Executive Shaving on the bottom there. Isn't that stunning? It's absolutely gorgeous. The head width on this is 2 inches or 51 millimeters, so it's a wider bodied head. And it's got the Executive Shaving. Got a long thread on it. Look at that. That's a long thread. It's got, if you can see it, Executive Shaving on the top there. And it weighs 110 grams or 3.9 ounces. Nice heavyweight. And you can feel that in the handle. And the handle length is 91 millimeters. Or 3.73 inches, which is very comfortable for me. 3.5, between 3.5, 4, thereabouts. Very comfortable. Like I say, handle heavy. Takes the Artis Pro blades, but it only takes certain ones. So if you look on the site, it gives you the list of the blades that suit this. It doesn't suit all of them, I believe, but that's the way it's worded. So yeah, I can't wait to use this. Unbelievable. I've got a birthday coming up. It's my birthday on Wednesday. I'll be using this razor. Don't know about the soap. I haven't really thought about the shave, to be honest with you. And there'll be a shave later on today as well, guys. I haven't been able to do anything, like I say. Oh, Sunday just gone. 8:30 power cut. I don't know what time it came back on because I went back to bed. The Sunday before as well, we had 2 new additions to the family in the CB Shaves manor. 2 little kittens. She had 3, but sadly one was stillborn. So yeah, we've been looking after kittens as well all week. Oh, it's chaos. Right, that's it. Looking forward to using this in the birthday shave. The Evolution. No, is it the Claymore Evolution? Be using that, and I haven't decided on the soap or anything yet. That's it. Thank you so much. I'm going to cut my hair now, and I'm going to get rid of this. The shave will be up later on today or this evening sometime. So I hope you can join me. I need to make up for lost time. Right, thanks guys. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you later on. If not, hopefully for the birthday shave at least. Take care guys, stay smooth and stay safe. Thanks a lot.